Hello student, once again welcome to our standard 7 lesson number 10 practical geometry. Here are the revisions notes on practical geometry. My dear students, we already completed introduction to the practical geometry exercise 1 to 5 in our last sessions. And now here one more time a revision is most important for you because you are starting a practical geometry from last year, but you need some more practice to do how to use the compass box. My dear student, before starting today's sessions, we are ready with our all stationaries, and before starting our sessions, let's do a silent prayer and a physical exercise. My dear students, here I want to tell you one thing. It is very important for you to do the physical and mental exercise, which gives you a more confidence than you can solve any kind of solutions. Solve any doubts, solve any questions, solve any difficulties. So now let's begin a silent prayer for a while. Yes. And physical exercise means we are sitting position. You can take a hand, head, eyes, ears, and movement. Give it. But before that, you should have to sit straight. Sitting straight is the best exercise. Yes, my dear student, here are the revisions for a practical geometry lesson number 10, standard 7, mathematics. Once again, welcome to our mathematics standard 7, lesson number 10, practical geometry. Dear students, any geometry will begin with the dot, and two dots make a line segment. A line segment needs two dots. You are knowing these things. This is a dot and it has the name A. Suppose second dot is a B. If these 2 points are joined, which makes a line segment AB. In between so many dots are there. We are not calculating any 2 dots. We are taking 1 and 2. This is called the line segment. Suppose line segment not there, but the initial point is there A and passing through point B, which gives you a ray. What gives it beta? It is a symbol of ray. Before the AB is a line segment, second is the ray, and third thing is a line. Line is nothing but both the side line segment is extended. Extended means it is going continuously, which gives you the idea of line. So first of all we understand the line segment. Dot में से बना line segment पे चलते हैं बेटा. You already studied in last year. Once again, a line segment is a part of a line with two end points. Here my dear student, E and F are the end points and L is the middle point or in between there. It is called the line segment. Anyone has doubt regarding this one beta? So 2 points are needed, or sometimes they can ask us a line segment have how many end points? You will tell us there are 2 end points. Is it? A line perpendicular to a line segment. Oh, very good question student. Now new words is coming. First is a line segment, then ray, and now line. And 2 words we already studied about a perpendicular line and a parallel line. So first we can discuss the perpendicular line. So for perpendicular line, you need a one line already present should be there. Any line which is perpendicular to a line segment makes an angle of 90 degree. Is it? Yes. My dear student, I can say line segment AB is perpendicular to line segment XY. So for that, you should have to draw one first line segment AB. Yes, you can draw it. This is a practical geometry. That's why you have to draw yourself. Okay. Now, how to draw the perpendicular line XY of point O, or afterwards you can take it? No problem. Here you can show the points. No problem, beta. If you are showing points or not, we can understand this is the points A and B. Okay, do you have the set square? In your compass box, there are two types of triangles are given. These types of two triangles you are having. Is it not beta? You are having? Yes. Take any one. Take any one set square. It is called the set square. SETSQARE. Set squares. इसको सेट स्क्वायर बोलते बेटा. चलो मैं एक सेट स्क्वायर इधर लगा देता हूं. ये वाला सेट स्क्वायर मैंने इधर लगा दिया लाइन के साथ. एंड देन आफ्टर आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन विच इज हेल्पफुल टू मी टू ड्रॉ द एक्स वाई. ऐसे रख के मैं उसको एक्स वाई से लाइन बना देता हूं बेटा. इजी? ओके. सो ऐसे मैंने बना दिया लाइन. इजी? सी ऐसे मैंने लाइन बना दिया था बाय मिस्टेक. आई ओके ए बी और उसके ऊपर मैंने ऐसा ट्राइंगल बना दिया था बेटा. ओके और उसकी हेल्प से मैंने ऐसा बना दिया एक लाइन. ये मेरा सेट स्क्वायर है. इजी? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द एक्स एंड वाई. My handwriting is not so good now because I have some problem in my fingers. So my pen is not working properly. But you got the idea how to keep it here. Suppose this line is used the set square like this way. Okay, some students can use this way also बेटा. उसको ऐसा नहीं करने का तो उसको इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं. सेट स्क्वायर ऐसे लगा दो. Okay, and you can draw a straight line. Very good बेटा. And the symbol is given here is 90 degree. This is the symbol of an angle is 90 degree. Here four angles form. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sorry beta. Or you can say 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, it's a four angles. And all angles are 90 degree. All angles of 90 degree. Because a perpendicular line means two lines are intersect at 90 degree called the perpendicular. Easy? Yes, my dear student, you are right. It is so easy. And when it is cutting, you should have to give the name of the point O. Okay. Now construction of a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line. Beta, perpendicular के बाद क्या आ गया? Yes, you want to see the symbol of the this one. Okay, ये लाइन सेगमेंट में सिंबल हुआ, ये रे का हुआ, ये लाइन का हुआ और ये हुआ परपेंडिकुलर का सिंबल और ये सिंबल है बेटा पैरेलल का. विल यू राइट हियर लाइन सेगमेंट रे ए लाइन परपेंडिकुलर parallel. But these are the terms and you can specify by a particular name like as is equal to, is equal to, is equal to. We are reading like this way beta, is equal to. Yes, correct. So same way these are the very important symbols for your further knowledge. Or we can write in symbol line segment AB is perpendicular line XY. उसको कैसे पढ़ते बेटा? Line segment AB is perpendicular to line XY. Here I am using line and first I use the line segment and you can symbol see this one and ये उल्टा T दिखाई दे रहा है. That is a perpendicular. Is it? Same way suppose I can say line PQ. Line PQ is parallel to line CD. How to read out this one? Line PQ is parallel to line CD. Okay. So for here, our constructions, we need a point outside the line. Step 1. Draw a line PQ and take point R outside it. But ऐसा करने का हमको नया construction करना है. Construction need the steps. One by one steps you have to write it. Take a point J on the line PQ and join it with R. Step 3. Take J as a center and draw an arc with any radius which cuts PQ at C and JR at B. Step 4. Now with the same radius, draw an arc taking R as a center. Take the step number 5. Take the measure of BC with compass and mark as arc of the same measurement from R to cut the arc at S. My dear student, here you should have to careful how to draw at last. Join RS to make the line parallel to PR. Line parallel to PR. See here all the things are given. सबसे पहले क्या किया था बेटा उसने? सबसे पहले उसने PQ लिया, ये लाइन लिया बेटा, ओके। उसके बाद उसने क्या किया? एक J पॉइंट लिया बेटा, J पॉइंट से कोई भी एक आर्क बनाया, इज इट इट, विच कट्स ऑन C। इससे पहले कि उसने पॉइंट R ले लिया था बेटा, आउटसाइड ऑफ द पॉइंट R, इज इट इट, ओके, बिकॉज आउटसाइड इज द R, वन पॉइंट इज ऑलरेडी देयर R, इधर R ले लिया था बेटा, ओके, एक आर्क भी इधर लगाया था, ओके। नाउ व्हाट आई डिड, नाउ आई एम टेकिंग द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम J to R, J to R, one line I have to draw, which cuts here on B, which cuts on B. Now take the measure of CB, C to B, but before that I want to draw an arc of J to C. J to C से ऐसे आर्क लेके इधर B से लगा दिया, आर्क ऐसे कर दिया बेटा, इजी, ओके। Now which cuts on A, join J and R, okay. Now from the J and R you can cut it here on S, which gives you a RS. At last you have to join RS, and parallel line means the distance between two lines is each and every point remain the same. मान लो इधर 5 सेंटीमीटर है तो इधर भी 5 होना जरूरी है और बीच में भी 5 होना जरूरी है, हर बार वो इक्वल डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए, that means it's a parallel line. Will you give the example of parallel line? Yes, railway track, railway na pata. So, right. And one more thing beta, ARS, can you find out ARS angle? It's a symbol of an angle beta. How to read out this one? Angle ARS is equal to angle BJC. ये एंगल और ये एंगल दोनों इक्वल ही रहेंगे, परफेक्ट। Hence, RS is parallel to PQ because of equal corresponding angle. ये corresponding angle बोलते हैं बेटा आउटसाइड के, क्लियर, दोनों के corresponding angle, इसके लिए दो लाइन हमेशा always parallel रहेगी, understood? Still now anyone has doubt? Okay, ARS की जगह पे आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, एंगल R is equal to angle J, but if you are writing ARS is equal to angle BJC, okay, some students can write like this way, say SRA is equal to angle CJB. इधर से चलो उधर से चलो, कहीं से भी चलो, बीच वाला जो है उसको एंगल बोलते हैं, आगे पीछे का मत देखो, क्लियर? This concept is based on the fact that a transversal between two parallel lines creates a pair of equal corresponding angles. One more phenomena, you got it here, identity you found here. Remark, this can be done by taking alternate interior angles instead of corresponding angle. Yes, my dear student, this is also very good idea. ये एंगल और ये एंगल ऑलवेज सेम रहेगा। मान लो ये 70 है तो ये भी 70 ही रहेगा, ये तो बाहर वाला तो 70 बनेगा, लेकिन ऑल्टरनेट एंगल मीन्स Z बनता है बेटा, याद है आपको Z बनने का, है? इसको बोलते हैं ऑल्टरनेट एंगल। कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ट्रायंगल, ओके, लाइन बनाना सीख गई अब। पैरेलल लाइन तो आपको इजीली मालूम है कैसे बनाना है। पैरेलल लाइन का बता दो बेटा, क्या करना पैरेलल लाइन में? ड्रॉ वन लाइन, गिव द पॉइंट ए बी, टेक एनी वन पॉइंट हियर सी और ओ, सी लिया बेटा इधर से क्या करने का बेटा आपको? यू कैन टेक एन आर्क एनी साइज एंड कट इट, which give you a x and y. 2 points are there with the same radius or more than half of this one. Take it more than half one or same one. Suppose same one I will take it. One cut here, one cut here. Now from here it will gives you a PQ. On the PQ you can cut once here and one here. Either से इधर, इधर से इधर. Now join this one. Which point will gives you a yes D. Join the CD. This is the perpendicular line. This is the perpendicular line. So parallel line and perpendicular line. You all got the clear idea. Here AB and here CD. This is the parallel line and here is the perpendicular line. Okay, beta? Good. Thank you. Now main topic is here of 7th standard construction of a triangle. To construct a triangle is based on the rules of congruent triangles. A triangle can be drawn if three sides are given. SSS criterion. Two sides and an included angle are given. SAS criterion. Two angles and an included side are given. ASA criterion. A hypotenuse and a side are given for right angle triangle. RHS criterion. But do you know what is the SSS, SAS and ASA and RHS? Okay, students, for first one, let's check SSS. SS का मतलब है बेटा साइड साइड साइड. इजी. साइड साइड साइड. Good. Now main thing is here. Draw a triangle ABC with the sides AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 5 cm and AC is equal to 9 cm. Yes, we are going to construct a triangle. So before starting a triangle, you can draw a rough diagram, rough sketch of the triangle. The things is here with you. Can you start from anyone? Suppose I am starting from BC, B and C, which is a 5 cm. Is it? A rough sketch is there. Now A to C. That means A point is here 9 and C is here. Is it? Yes, my dear student. Here is the A to C. AB is a 5. This is the A. This is the 5. Suppose this is a 5. No, sorry, 5 not there. What is the AB? AB is equal to 6. Sorry, beta. इससे बड़ा होना चाहिए. इससे बड़ा ले लेते बड़ा. 5 से बड़ा थोड़ा छोटा बड़ा ले लेते. उसका नाम दे दिया A और ये हो गया 6. एंड इधर से इधर तक का डिस्टेंस है बेटा 9. A to C 9 हो गया. Is it? Okay, someone say no sir, I want to take a AB नीचे लेने का है. चलो कोई बात नहीं, AB नीचे ले लिया. उसका डिस्टेंस है बेटा 6. A to B 6. Okay. Now B to C 5. B to C 5 ले लो बेटा इधर से. इधर ले लिया C, थोड़ा छोटा है. एंड A to C 9 आ गया बेटा. ये आ गया अपना ट्राइंगल. Oh, someone say I want to draw with AC as a base. Base means नीचे वाला लेने का है. आपको AC इधर लेने का, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं बेटा. ओके, कलर डिफरेंट कर देता हूँ तो आपको ज्यादा समझ में आ जाएगा. ओके, गुड आइडिया बेटा. ओके, करेक्ट. सो नाउ आई विल टेक AC हियर. व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ AC बेटा? 9. अच्छा, A to B कितना दिया है बेटा क्वेश्चन में? A to B दिया है 6. गुड आंसर. एंड B to C 5. तो मान लो ये 5 हो गया. इधर B ले लिया. ये आ गया अपना B. ओके, और A to B कितना आ गया? 6. और ये कितना आ गया? 5. It is also clear. So you can shift it here or there. The answer remain the same. You can take any base and follow it one by one step. Step 1. First of all, draw a rough sketch of a triangle so that we can understand how to go ahead. Is it? See, here is the rough sketch. AB is the base, AC is equal to 9 and BC is equal to 5. According to the rough sketch, there is a size is doesn't matter. Some students will say sir AC छोटा सा है, 9 कहाँ है? AB बड़ा दिखाई देता है, BC छोटा दिखाई देता है, कोई बात नहीं. स्टेप नंबर 2, ड्रॉ ए लाइन सेगमेंट AB इज इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर. सबसे पहला स्टेप हमने रफ स्केच दिया, दूसरा स्टेप में उसको क्या लिया, बट एक्चुअली वन स्टेप इज AB इज इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर ले लिया. दैट मीन्स आपने ऐसे ड्रॉ कर दिया AB इज इक्वल टू 6. स्केल से लिया, आपको मालूम है स्केल कैसे यूज करने का है? यस यू आर राइट माय डियर स्टूडेंट. आपका ये स्केल है बड़ा वाला, इसमें आपको 6 नंबर पे पॉइंट लगा देने का, बराबर है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 होगा, तो इसके 6 के ऊपर आपको लगा देने का है पॉइंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन आपने क्या किया? यस यू डिड थिंग्स AB को B से रख के, स्टेप है तीसरा बेटा. नाउ फ्रॉम पॉइंट A C is 9 centimeter away, so take A is a center and draw an arc of 9 centimeter. Very good question here. अच्छा बेटा इसमें क्या किया, A पे रहने का है और एन आर्क बनाना है. आर्क कैसे बनाएंगे बेटा? आपके पास ऐसा वाला एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है कि नहीं है? इसके अंदर आप क्या लगाएंगे? पेंसिल लगाएंगे, बराबर है. ये डिस्टेंस आपको कितना लेने का है? 9 सेंटीमीटर. ओपन करके क्या करने का बेटा? उसको ओपन करो तो लंबा खींचेगा. एंड नाउ कीप इट हियर पॉइंट. ये पॉइंट है, इसको इधर रखो बेटा और उसको ऐसे आर्क लगा दो. ओके गुड. दिस इज द सेंटर इज A. सेंटर इज A. You see? Okay. Now look at here. Point C to A is 9 centimeter. Draw an arc from center A. Now next step is here I will take the same process, but now I will take B as a center, and from B to C is 5 centimeter away. So take B as a center and draw an arc of 5 centimeter in such a way that both the arcs intersect with each other. Isn't it? See how it will cut it. First one already there. Okay. Now second one is here. पहले का आर्क कहाँ था बेटा? इधर से इधर तक का जो आर्क था ये वाला, ये है 9 सेंटीमीटर का बेटा. कहाँ से लिया था आपने? हमने A से लिया था. ओके. नाउ आई विल टेक द आर्क फ्रॉम द B. इधर से लेके मैं एक आर्क और बनाता हूँ बेटा, ये वाला. Sorry, by mistake. Once again, I want to say you. Okay. From the point A, I am drawing an arc. ये वाला आर्क है मेरा. इधर से इधर का डिस्टेंस है बेटा 9 सेंटीमीटर. Okay. Same way. Now I am trying to draw second arc from B. B2 मैंने आर्क कैसे बनाया? इधर से जो कट करेगा ये ब्लू वाले को, और इधर का डिस्टेंस आएगा बेटा 5 सेंटीमीटर आएगा. कितना आएगा बेटा? 5. और विच कट्स ऑन पॉइंट हियर? C पॉइंट पे कट करेगा. नाउ जॉइन दिस A to C एंड B to C. दिस इज आवर रिक्वायर्ड ट्रायंगल. हमने रफ स्केच में कैसे बनाया था बेटा? इस स्टेप्स के बना के दिखा दिया था. चलो AB को नीचे लेने का है, C को ऊपर रखने का है, ऐसा करके रफ बनाया था. मेजरमेंट भी लिख दिया था. इधर का 9 है, इधर AB का 6 है, इधर का 5 है. बट आंसर कैसे मिला? फाइनल आंसर लिटिल बिट ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल मिल गया. क्लियर बेटा? ओ ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल का मतलब नहीं मालूम आपको बेटा? Obtuse angle means an angle whose one angle is more than 90 degree. Obtuse angle triangle की बात कर रहा हूँ बेटा. This point of intersections of arcs is the required point C. Now join AC and BC. आपके सामने दिखाई दिया बेटा, AC और BC को join कर दिया है. Clear? Anyone has doubt regarding this one? But don't forget to put the each and every point, and you can use your language. ABC is the required triangle. At last you can say. Next one, SAS criterion. Very easy thing is there. Construct a triangle LMN with LM is equal to 8 centimeter, LN is equal to 5 centimeter, and angle NLM is equal to 60 degree. But here CM is there, but by mistake AM लिख दिया. Solution: draw a rough sketch of the triangle according to the given information. तो ये सामने एक बना दिया बेटा LMN. LM को नीचे रखा या LN को भी नीचे रख सकते हैं. 8 and 5 centimeter in between 60 degree we have to draw. Okay. Step number 1. First क्या किया बेटा आपने? Draw a line segment LM is equal to 8 centimeter. Draw an angle of 60 degree at L and make the line LO. आप रॉड ऑफ कंपास से ले सकते हैं या प्रोटेक्टर से भी ले सकते हैं। ये मेरा प्रोटेक्टर है बेटा, बराबर है। इस पे सब नंबर लिखता होता है 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 90 है बेटा, 180 तक लिखा होता है। So you have to cut it on 60 and then join the line, this one. Keep it here as 0 as a reminder, isn't it? Okay. So using this method, you can draw this one. Now L to N, take the L to O and take the arc of from L 5 centimeter, which cuts on the one point. Give the name of N. Join MN. Join MN. Here is the required triangle LMN, where the measure are given. Next one, construction of a triangle if two angles and one included side is given. A as 8th criterion. Example is there. Draw a triangle ABC if BC is equal to 8 centimeter, angle B is equal to 60 degree and angle C is equal to 70 degrees. Solution. Draw a rough sketch of the triangle. Yes, my dear student, here two angles are given, 60 and 70 degree, and two sides are also there. Can we take it here? Why not? Steps are there. First 8 centimeter BC is drawn. Second one B is you have to create of 60 degree with the help of pair of compass. Yes, pair of compass means you have to take the B as center and draw an arc. In that same arc from here one cut, which gives you exact 60 degree, my dear student. And now what we are going to do, take the C as a center and draw an angle of 70. Use the protector and join CQ. The point between where BP and QC intersect is the required vertex A of the triangle ABC. जो दोनों को काटेगा बेटा वो point आपको A मिलेगा. Clear? And give the one other name of Q and P also. So required triangle is this one. Next example is here. Construct a right angle triangle if the length of the hypotenuse is this much. Students, here one side and one hypotenuse is given, and here already said angle P is the right angle. So you have the clear idea. PQ is a 4.5 centimeter. Draw a perpendicular line to PR and PQ, and then after cut the 7 centimeter arc from Q, which gives you a triangle PQR. Isn't it? Or you can say PS is the perpendicular to PQ. Now you are having the 7 centimeter Q to R distance, and it is the required triangle. It is the required triangle which we are going to construct. Once again I want to tell you, first of all I drawn a PQ of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, with the help of the set square I can draw one line PS which is perpendicular, and as per the question angle P is equal to 90 degree, or you can say right angle. 90 degree को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? Yes, right angle बोलते हैं. फिर angle P, or sometime it can say measure of angle P is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now what the things is here, you should have to take a center Q and pair of compass. बेटा ये pair of compass आ गया अपना, इसके अंदर पेंसिल लगाई हुई है. कितना ओपन करना है बेटा? 7 तक ओपन करना है. How much open you have to do? 7. Now keep it here and cut the point here of the distance 7, which cuts on point R. Which cuts on point R. Now join R and Q. R Q के join कर दो, इधर लिख दो 7 centimeter. Is it? Easy? Here is the cutting point of the right angle. How to get it? I want to show you. Yes, how to draw the right angle. Perpendicular बनाना बेटा. अभी सिखाया था मैंने perpendicular कैसे बनाना है. सिखा दूं? चलो फिर से सिखा दूं फटाफट 1 मिनट में. एक लाइन बनाया PQ. P से आपको बनाने का बेटा, तो आपको ये लाइन थोड़ा एक्सटेंड कर दो. इधर से लेके एक ऐसा आर्क बनाओ. एक आर्क इधर, एक आर्क इधर. Now again these 2 points and cut it here. Is it? Now join this line. Is it perpendicular? Okay, little bit different, no problem. So once again I am trying to draw this perpendicular. Okay, once again straight line गया, इधर से इसको काट दिया, ये लाइन इधर से काट दिया. Easy? ये मेरा right angle बन गया, इसके लिए इधर दिया हुआ है. So here we revise the all types of triangles and basic things of the geometry, construction of geometry. Once again, I remind you, complete your fair books, stay at home, be safe, take care, and now once again, a big thanks. Stay online, study online, be safe. Ask to any doubt. Thank you, and